How you going, guys? Back with another unboxing video, this time the RN30 Hilux Custom by Aoshima. Aoshima, for you that don't know, Japanese brand. They're really popular with a lot of tuning companies. Is one that I've done earlier. S13 with a wide body kit. They come with a lot of extra parts usually. This one's a bit more basic. We'll open it up and we'll have a look. So this one is a little bit smaller than the sort of typical Aoshima kits. As you can see there, that's pretty much all the parts this one comes with. Pretty basic model. I think this is more sort of focused on, you know, your paint job and stuff like that to try and make them stand out. But yeah, we'll crack into the kit and have a bit of a look. As you can see there's two sets of wheels that come with it. Comes with a little surfboard. I believe there's a few different custom interior bits, different steering wheels and stuff like that. Looks like there's two different headlight setups, so it's like a newer style one, older style one. But yeah, let's have a bit of a look. We'll get these instructions out the way. So this is the body that you'll be sort of looking at. This is a 124 kit, so it's the smaller size. Well, smaller comparative to the 112s and stuff. Yeah, there's your body. Pretty basic, like I said. This is actually, yeah, one of the sort of lighter Aoshima kits that I've seen before. So it comes with two sets of wheels, sort of more sort of a street custom look as opposed to these, which are more hot rod, sort of 100 spoke rims with the accents that go on the wheel nuts. Pretty cool. So yeah, looks like, yeah, pretty basic this kit. As I said there, you've got your hot rod wheels. I'll put these to the side here. You've got your more street sort of rod wheels. Looks like there's a bit of a roll cage thing for the tray. You can go in there. As you can see here, Hilux Datsun. Okay, that's interesting. Must share some parts within the Aoshima brand. It's one thing I have noticed, especially when I was doing this S13, they come with a lot of extra different, like, just bits that you either will or wouldn't use. Like, for instance, in the S13 kit, I got a lot of S15 parts, a lot of S14 parts. You can sort of do like front end swaps on them or save them for later for other kits. It seems like potentially this might be the case with this. It looks like, what's on that? Steering wheel, some windscreen wipers. Yeah, so they potentially share a lot of them parts, I guess. But yeah, we'll keep cracking through. This will be a bit of a shorter video because, as I said, it's a pretty light kit. Yeah, you got your tyres in there, your underbody. As I said earlier, steering wheels, different sort of setups. You've got your clear bits, which is pretty straightforward. Everyone knows what they are: lights, indicators, windows, and your decals. Again, pretty simple decals on this. Looks like basically just 3 number plates and a side decal. But yeah, I'm unsure how I'm sort of going to approach this kit. Whether I'm going to do, you know, the hot rod style or the street sort of style, or, I mean, there's a lot of different ways to do mini trucks. So yeah, I'm a bit unsure of how I'm going to attack this one. I would like to experiment maybe with some like lace paint or something like that. You know, that's very sort of hot rod centric. Potentially even maybe do some wild, colourful decals like the sort of, you know, early 90s, late 90s mini trucks. But yeah, that is about it for the RN30 Hilux Custom by Aoshima. Probably a shorter kit if you're looking to sort of bang something out in a week or two. probably very likely you could do that with this. But yeah, I'll leave the video off here, and I should be back in about a week with another unboxing. Cheers, guys.